So for today's lesson, we are looking at adding effects to our maze game that we have been working on over the past couple of lessons. Now this video, I'm going to talk you through how to add some commentary to your maze game. So you need to be looking at your codes. Remember, our codes are the instructions that we have given to our sprite so that our maze game can work correctly. So if you would like to add a comment to your code, you need to click the section that you would like to add your comment to. Then if you click your right button on your mouse, you'll see that you have three different options come up: duplicate, add comment, or delete block. You click on add comment, a little post-it note will come up. This is where you can write an explanation as to what that code does. You might give instructions on how to change that code for somebody that is playing your game. It is up to you what you comment. So for example, the part that I am commenting on is about when the upwards arrow key is pressed on the keyboard. So I might say, this code has been used to show the direction the character will move in when the upwards key is pressed on a keyboard. So I've just written a little explanation as to what that code is, and I've added that comment there. And then you'll see now, if I click, that comment stays there. So if somebody was to play my game, they'd be able to see the purpose of this code here. You can see there's two little lines down in the right hand corner. That means that you can increase or decrease the size of that note that you have made. So let's look at another one together. So if we go down and I think about this code here, this code is the one that we use to make sure that our obstacle course works. So if the red is touched, it sends my sprite backwards so that he can't continue his journey around the maze. So again, I'm going to right click, add comment. So this code has been used to create an obstacle course within my game. When the sprite comes into contact with the red rectangle, he is sent backwards. This means that the player needs to identify a new course to help the sprite reach the finishing line. So again, you'll see if we click that, we can't see all of the writing that I've just done. So I'm going to use this little arrow here to make that little commentary a little bit bigger. So this code is being used to create an obstacle course within my game. When the sprite comes into contact with the red rectangle, he's sent backwards. And I've explained it in a little bit more detail. So if anybody comes on to play my game, from the two commentaries that I've done, they'll know what those codes will do and they'll understand the purpose of them. I'd like you to have a go at adding some comments to your codes on your maze game now.